Welcome to the Facebook Live with SCMS Pune that is ranked number 1 according to the Times of India B-School survey. I'm Nishita Mirchandani. I'm an NRI student from Nigeria.
Hi guys, I'm Vinayak Sharma. I'm from Nepal.
Hi guys, I'm Divya Prakash Shah and I'm from Mumbai.
So throughout the session, we're going to be answering your queries, doubts, any questions you have about symbiosis, as well as we'll be sharing our experience in SCMS Pune.
So we'll wait for some time until we have more number of people who are logged in. Until then, what we'd like to suggest is be ready with your questions, whatever you want to ask us. It can be our personal experiences that we'll be sharing, or anything in particular about SCMS, or even Pune or Vimananagar specifically.
Yeah, we will also be answering your queries with regards to the SCT and your queries with regards to admission process, pivot, and all of it. So just be ready with your questions and we'll be answering. Meanwhile, we'll be sharing a video with you guys.
Yeah.
All of you can have a look at it.
Yeah, so the link is going to be a pinned comment right now, and you can just view it to understand the symbiosis experience.
We've sent the link, guys. All of you can have a look at it.
Yeah. Go through it. Yeah.
So it's a pinned comment, so you can see it as soon as you join this video.
Yeah.
So
we'll wait for a few minutes.
Yeah, just before we start interacting with you guys, this is what I feel, and this is really a good opportunity even for students to interact directly with you guys who are going to come to SCMS Pune as well.
Yeah.
It's something that we didn't have before. It's a really good opportunity for you all, to come interact with us.
Clarify all your queries.
Yeah, feel free to ask us any questions. It could be even about our own personal experiences, how we liked symbiosis, how we liked anything in particular, about Pune as a city, about the hostels as well. There are lots of doubts about that, so we're very happy to be
True.
here.
We all three are from different places. DP is from Mumbai, she's from Nigeria, I'm from Nepal, so we can really share our experiences.
You guys have three different perspectives.
True.
Yeah.
So
let us talk about.
So you can see more people
Pune
have been joining in. So till then, you can go see our video on YouTube, on the SCMS YouTube channel as well. We'll also be sharing links with you, for different admissions or be it for hostels. We'll pin it as a comment here very soon. You can go refer.
We already have a question from Tanay Srivastav.
Okay.
What type of questions come in SCT? Tanay will be answering your queries in a while.
We'll wait for some time before.
Because this is a common question which a lot of people will be having doubts on.
True.
So we'll just wait for a while.
Yeah.
I think we can start with how we got to know about SCMS Pune, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So
Vinayak, why don't you start with it?
Sure. For me, it was more like I generally searched in Google the best top 10 places in India to do PBM. That's how I saw symbiosis there. That's how I logged into it, and I saw the website. This is the point. I want to really tell you, the website is really one place where you can find details about each and everything, be it for your admission process or be it any course, curriculum, whatever the extracurricular activities, clubs, contact person, so and so. It's really easy. That is what for me, because otherwise I had to just come all the way to Pune to find anything.
Okay, we have a question from Shrishti Kochar. I think we can answer this now. Our overall review of SCMS Pune.
Well, Nishita, you are. Yeah, it has been amazing.
It's been great. Yeah, I think I'm from another continent and I really enjoyed the experience. Like, it was a home away from home in the real sense.
Yeah,
and these 3 years have been amazing. I've grown as a person. We've learned so many things. Even the classes were fun. So I think it's great. And we got to do so many extracurricular activities. All 3 of us, we did so many different ones.
For me, it was a mixture of academics and extracurriculars. Yes, it has been an amazing experience for my overall development per se. And talking about, let's start about academics of SCMS, since talking about the overall review of SCMS Pune. With regards to academics, our classes usually begin from 8:30 to 4:30 in our first years. In our second year and third year, we have, there's a flexibility. We can select what timings we want, what subjects we want. Since SCMS Pune is the only institute in India which offers specializations at an undergraduate level. And we have this thing called cafeteria approach. Vinayak, if you can tell more.
Yeah, sure. So what happens in cafeteria approach is, we really get to choose what specializations or what subjects I really want to study. So let's say I have marketing and finance. Do you guys have the same?
Yeah.
I did marketing with international business.
Okay.
A dual specialization.
Yeah. So this is how. So there are a lot of 6 different specializations you can choose from, and within those specializations, so you can choose your own courses. So for me, within marketing, I took a more relating to advertising or digital marketing. That's
Yeah.
how it has been for me.
So apart from these three specializations, we also have environmental business, entrepreneurship, and human resource management.
International business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the
Yeah.
6 specializations which SCMS offers
True.
in BBA, and you can select from general BBA, single specialization, and dual specialization.
Yeah, so you don't have to specialize. If you take a general BBA, you can take subjects from many different specializations.
True.
And I think it's really great that we get to select it in the second year.
True.
Because in the first year, we do like fundamental subjects, all the subjects.
Yeah.
And by second year, I think you're more clear. Like, definitely, I was more clear about which subjects I wanted.
Yeah, and moreover, our course timings also vary. In the first year, it's all the same for all of us, but then from second and third year, we really get to make our own schedule as well. So that's been
Yeah.
a good thing for me because
So flexibility is one thing all of us love over here, and flexibility is one thing, yes, all of us love over here, and that's how when we select our own class timings, we select our own subjects. It is what you want to study, you study. It's not like some subjects have been put on you and you have to study these subjects only.
guys, I think we should wait for some more time, until some more people log in,
Yeah,
because
definitely.
I mean, we really want to answer, the most common questions, so that you don't miss out. I mean, you can obviously go view it later, but then let's wait for some time, let's see some other people who have joined now. And
For those of you who
Yeah.
have just joined us, there's a pinned comment with a video link.
Yeah.
So please watch that for the overall Symbiosis
Yeah.
experience.
meanwhile, we're gonna pin up some more comments, which has details about the website, the phone numbers who you can call upon, and some other, important this thing.
Yeah, so
Alright.
we're doing that right
Yeah.
now.
So. So if you can see, we have just posted a comment, with the details about our college, the address, the phone number, and the email IDs. So the email ID here, info@scmspune.ac.in. This is where you should, really send in your queries. And all right, so we pinned it as well. So you're more than likely, and we'll also be pinning some more comments, which relates to hostel details or international as well.
Yeah.
All right.
Meanwhile, let us just talk about Pune as a city.
Yeah.
I mean, and Viman.
Yes,
Nagar as
true. I mean,
well.
Pune is a very vibrant city. Me coming from Nepal, she's from Nigeria, so for me it's been really wonderful.
Yeah, I think as a girl as well, you feel really comfortable and you really feel safe in Pune.
Yeah.
And especially Viman Nagar is like a mini city within a city. You have a police
Yeah.
Yeah,
station,
true.
you have restaurants, you have cafes, you have medical stores, and everything's like open 24/7.
Yeah.
So it's very convenient as well. And even like the hostel is within a kilometer, and everything is very convenient within Viman Nagar. I think that's one of the
I
most
think for
important things.
me, it's only about food in Viman Nagar. Apart from Symbiosis, food is the best thing in Viman Nagar, I feel. Vinay, what about you? What do you think?
Well, and food is definitely a good factor here, but then I think for me it would be that Viman Nagar is really very close to such commercial centers like World Trade Center or be it any IT complexes. So for me, it has been easy to go for internships here after my college also.
Yeah.
So that has been easy for me rather than to have to travel too much in the city. So that was a good factor for me.
Yeah, but talking about food, I really like the variety of
Yeah.
restaurants in Viman Nagar. There's so many. So you never get homesick and there's always like a different cuisine.
Yeah.
And I think that's great.
I think we have a lot of questions. I think we should
Yeah.
start answering
I
them.
mean, so we'll just view through the questions. All right.
Okay, so we have a question from Abhiraj.
Abhiraj Agarwal,
Yeah.
could you explain about the admission procedure a bit? So, talking about the admission procedure for national Indians, basically all of them have to give an online test, which is the SET, Symbiosis Entrance Test. Once you get shortlisted in that test, you are called at one of the Symbiosis institutes for PIVAT procedure, that is the personal interview and the written ability test. And on the basis of your score, all the three of them are aggregated, and then you get a shortlist.
Yeah. I mean, the personal interaction is really where it's more of a reflection of who you are and what is your future aspirations and what all do you want to achieve in the college.
Yeah, it's not an interview kind of thing, but they really want to know what kind of a person you are,
True.
what you want to do in your life, what is your vision and all. So it's not an interview, it's an interaction with the faculties.
I mean, that was for the Indian nationals. I mean, yeah. I mean, as you
Yeah, for
mentioned,
the
it's
Indian
completely
nationals, yeah.
online now. SET is completely online. It's really important for you. It's not like an offline test where you might even go 5 minutes after the exam has begun and you still get to write your paper.
Yeah, there are a few things which you should take care of before going for the SET. Firstly, you guys have to be like at least 30 minutes prior to the test timing. Since it is online,
Yeah.
there are quite a few procedures which are to be followed with regards to your login and all. There is assistance given at all the centers, and this test is completely online from last year, I guess. And
we see a comment here, question here from Mark. It says, is there SCT for international students as well? I mean, it's again different for NRIs, or if you're a foreign national.
Yeah, but there's no SCT for NRIs or foreign national. You don't have to give the exam. You apply online on the SCIU website. We'll be putting the link right now. That will be a pinned comment as well.
So let me just put that up very quickly.
Oh, there are lots of questions asking how to prepare for SCT. So
yeah,
just
So we've pinned a comment for students who are international and interested to apply for SCMS. Comments with regards to, we have few comments for how to prepare for SCT in general. So there are 4 subjects, that is the English, GK, your logical reasoning and math. These are the 4 subjects or 4 topics on which you are evaluated. So, and these subjects are, the course material is usually available online, and most of it is what you've studied until your 12th. So you just have to revise through it. Just be aware of the current affairs happening, and yeah, that's enough.
There's a question here about, will it be difficult for me to settle in Ramannagar and SCMS? Yeah, well, I mean, this is
I really doubt.
It's not really difficult for us. There's also a thing, this is where the mentor-mentee system really comes in the picture.
Yeah.
And this is where, the second years are a mentor to the first year students, and the third year students are a mentor to the second year students.
Yeah.
So let's say, when I, as a general student, I was really confused about what specializations to take, I'd very easily approach my seniors and ask them, and they'll be actually very happy, to discuss about what are the choices that we really have here.
We have another question. How's the exposure the college offers, particularly with respect to internships and exchange programs? So I talk about the exchange program. We have this thing called GIP, which is the Global Immersion Program.
He was one of the people who went for it.
Yeah. So I myself went to Germany at DHBW Heidenheim for my exchange program. So this is a floating credit course wherein you study a semester abroad in the university, and you don't have to pay any kind of fees for your tuition fees. You just have to pay for your travel and accommodation. For me, I was lucky enough to get a scholarship, and I did not have to pay anything. So yeah, that is one good thing about Symbiosis with regards to exchange programs. Every year, I guess around 15 to 18 people get selected from SCMS, and they go to a lot of European universities.
And even in SCMS here, we have a lot of other foreign students who come here to SCMS for their exchange program. So it's really good opportunities for the internationals and the other students here also to interact with them, to see the cultural diversity first-hand experience, and to more interact with them as well. And we have the international selling college as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was one question here from Vinay. I'm interested in BBA. What job opportunities can I expect?
With regards to job opportunities, so we have quite a lot MNCs coming on campus for placements. That is the KPMG, PwC, ICICI Bank, MGH, and like every year we have 25 to 30 companies on campus. So for your final year, the college offers placements, and the highest package has been 8 lakhs per annum this year, and the average was around 4.5 lakhs.
And we even got international placements this year.
Yeah, that was great.
It's something it's really good to look forward to.
So apart from academics, we also have a lot of clubs. We have Simpulse, which is the annual international college festival.
It's one of the biggest fest in India.
Yeah, and the biggest in Pune.
Definitely the biggest in Pune.
Right. So I mean, even SIU Vimannagar TEDx is also one part. Nishita was hitting on.
Yeah, I think one of the best part of college for me was Simpulse and TEDx. So Simpulse is Pune's biggest college festival, and we had over 60 events and 600 organizing committee members. So I think overall, the experience we got, the way we grew, we conducted our own events. We had such immense personalities coming to our college. We had Dr. Kiran Bedi come and open Simpulse for us this year. So I think it was like a great experience. On top of that, I happened to be in the committee that was organizing TEDx SIU Vimannagar, which is an incredible opportunity to organize a TEDx like of such.
One good thing
sort,
about one of the good things about SCMS is that students have the freedom to do what they want, what kind of events they want to plan. So talking about Simpulse, talking about TEDx, or talking about any other club events, Simpulse is the heart of students of SCMS, and these events are right from planning to implementation. All of it is organized by students. Being a management student, this is one of the real life exposure. This is one of the event wherein you can put in your studies, like talking about digital marketing per se. Like we study digital marketing in our academic, as a part of our academics, and the same is implemented while
we
selling.
apply it for past selling,
I'm just
for our
adding
events.
that, I'm just adding for what he said regarding digital marketing. So my teacher, my professor, he really encouraged all of us to take up certain more courses like from Google. So we all kind of had that Google AdWords certified by the end of the course, and some of us went for Google Analytics certified. So these certifications coming from Google, Microsoft directly really adds value to your CV as well.
We're all leaving with so many
certificates. So all of this really helps us in our placements and for our masters as well.
I mean, not just academics. You see, in SCMS, I mean, so I play basketball. So I'm really encouraged to go play basketball. So we have our own college team. We have the university sports board, which does the selection for the sports team as well.
Yeah.
There's a lot of other cultural activities that happen as well.
Yeah, I think the freedom is given in every sense. Like we're taking this Facebook Live and interacting with all of you directly.
Yeah.
So
I mean, this is something very unique for us as well. To get us such a chance to interact with you guys.
Yeah, that is one thing.
So let's see some more questions.
yeah.
Let us talk about the SLC program.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
So SLC is where it's the service learning program. So it's where you get to intern with an NGO for 60 hours, but then it's just not limited to that. So usually after 60 hours, some of us really get affiliated to that NGO, and we try to extend working there as well. And it can be in any NGO. So the college helps us get those NGOs as well.
Yeah, we have NGOs like Reach for India, Ekansh, and all of it.
And the internship cell also within placement cell.
Yeah, so there's this thing, internship cell, which we have, which has been started from this year only. It helps us get internships for the students. Definitely not during your college hours, but after your college hours, part-time internships, work from home. And one thing which is a part of our course curriculum is the corporate internship program. That is to get a particular credits to clear your BBA. It is mandatory for all students to intern in the specialization which we have selected in a company. Like the job profile should be related to your specializations. And at least I guess 1 month of internship is mandatory. And so this is one amazing thing which has been inculcated in our course curriculum, wherein we are not only studying from the books, but there is a real life experience which we are getting.
Yeah, the corporate exposure, and it'll really help in future. Like when you're going for your job interviews, you have certain experience. You know how it was working for so many months. And about SLC as well, you can choose an NGO that's actually close to your heart. If you believe in animal rights, you choose an NGO that is related to animal rights. So you choose something that you really want to do.
Yeah, I mean, other than this, there's a lot of different programs that you can attend. So let's say those of you who are looking forward to have ACCA during your course here in SCMS, this is something which is possible.
Yeah, so ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. The college offers ACCA, training for the interested students. That this happens usually after college hours, and it's quite easy to manage both the things. With regards to your attendance, with regards to your extracurriculars. I mean, it's quite balanced, the life over here. If one manages properly, you can truly become an all-rounder. And
talking about management here, we have a committee that is the buddy committee here. So in buddy committee, what happens is So although foreign nationals and the NRIs who come here to study, they're paired up with a senior or international or a localite who's here. So these people are the ones who will be your buddies, will help you to set up in Pune, find your flats, hostels for you. Go around Bimanagar, help you shop something. Help you with deciding the course that you want to study. So this is a really good committee which is there in Symbiosis overall as well.
Yeah, why don't let us give some information about the girls' hostel as well.
Yeah, because there's so many questions about that.
Yeah.
Let's start talking about that. So there was a question: how safe is the girls' hostel? Honestly, it's very safe.
Yeah.
You definitely feel very safe, and it's very close to college itself, as well as you have buses that go every 10 minutes in the morning between campus and the hostel. So it's very convenient as well. And the food in the hostel is amazing. That's
Yeah.
definitely my favorite part. You
I
get the
think the
best
chicken
food.
is amazing.
The
I've
chicken-
heard. I
the
don't
chicken
eat
is
chicken,
the
but
best.
yeah, chicken is the
I
best
wanted
I've
to go
heard.
there, but
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you get non-veg on 2 days a week, and the chicken is amazing. So
yeah.
yeah, so you will not have a food problem.
And we also have a thing called mess committee wherein the students can suggest.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
actually.
students actually suggest dishes. So I think misal pav is a delicacy in Maharashtra, and it
Yeah.
was recently added to the menu because people wanted to try it. So I think that's great. You add things you want to the menu. The hostel is great, and there's a curfew of 10 p.m. every day, so it's very safe. And yeah,
Yeah. We even have biometric systems to check
there's
it.
a biometric system which you have to.
So there's no
Sign
doubt
in
about
every day.
safety. I mean, it's quite
Yeah.
safe to stay
True.
in SCM.
Yeah. There's a
Um,
question:
college.
is there a boys' hostel?
I mean, yeah,
So-
there is a boys' hostel in, but it's again on a first come basis. So you really have to apply first. But other than that,
But
we
there
have a
are
list of-
other
yeah.
PGs and hostels
We have a list of
available in
recommended-
Ramannagar.
Yeah.
The college does assist us.
And we get a list of like recommended hostels we can go and approach for. I mean, let's see some other.
Let us
There's
questions.
a
also,
question: is there a difference in the hostel facilities for international students and students admitted in the general category? No, there's no difference. All the girls are admitted into all the hostels, and there's no difference. In fact, it's even better because you get to interact with so many different people from so many different places.
Some other questions regarding is ragging done in SM as well?
No.
Very honestly,
I
we
mean,
no.
have never seen it. We've never heard anyone report it. So it's an
And
anti-ragging.
we
Yeah.
also have
Honestly.
a anti-ragging committee, grievance redressal
Yes, true.
committee, wherein the students, if there is such an incident, the students can go and
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
man.
in our 3 years, I've never seen.
yeah,
something
same,
like that.
same.
So let's just address some other questions. So is the GPA on a 4-point scale? No, it's on a 10-point
It's on a
scale.
10 points.
How far is the boys' hostel from college? So it's around half
The
a kilometer
proximity
or
for
something.
all, yeah, max to
Yeah.
max 1.5 kilometers.
Well,
Does everyone get
be
to
a
be a
part
part
of
of Simpulse? Well,
Uh,
yes. If you apply, definitely.
I
you
mean,
get-
almost 600
almost-
students
yeah,
are part of
al-
Simpulse.
Most of the college takes part in Simpulse.
Let's see
Uh,
some other questions.
What activities do
We
you?
all have. I mean,
Yeah.
we should tell them a little bit about our clubs and the cells that we have.
Yeah.
here.
So
So let's start by the clubs, performing
Alright,
clubs.
so when I was in first year, I was a part of Think Tank. So this is the marketing club of SCMS. So what about you guys? Were you part of any clubs?
yeah, I was a part of Step Up, which is the dance club.
Yeah.
I
So
was a part of the E-Cell as well, entrepreneurship cell. So,
Right.
there are a lot of clubs like entrepreneurship cell, Think Tank, Step Up, Encore. There's one
Monitrix.
Monitrix for
There's a drama
students.
club. So you have performing arts clubs and
And
non-performing
non-performing.
arts. So performing arts, there are 3. There's Dramibas for drama. There's Encore for Step Up. Encore for music and Step Up for dance.
Yeah.
And then you have non-performing arts clubs, and there's a lot of variety. There's the academy. They just talk about books and music, and there's like Monitrix, and they handle finance. There's Think Tank that does advertising and marketing. So
we
I think-
even have this thing, R&D cell, research and
Yeah.
development cell, wherein our third years and the faculties help us write research papers, which is again one of the things which helps us in our resumes during our final placements, and if you want to apply for masters somewhere. Research is something which is a part and parcel. Like, I mean, nowadays I see a lot of students, like almost
I mean,
every
really adds
every
to
week
the
there's
creativity.
at least 5 to 6 students writing one research paper.
True. I mean,
So-
this is something which helps for your further masters as well. I mean, just to give you an example of how this has helped us, like both DP and I were part of the project called Corporate
Yeah.
Consultancy Project. So where we worked with forging industry, and we wrote a research report on how the whole we wrote a basically. we
So
wrote
that was a
report with
research
them.
on the entire forging industry, like if one wants to enter a forging industry or set up a forging plant.
Yeah.
So, at undergraduate level, I never thought that I would get an exposure to do a research on such a big industry, and working with the association itself was quite.
So it's really good for us. So, coming back to the questions here, Tanay has asked, how can I pursue ACC along with my BBA? So this is what we have already addressed this, like.
The ACCA classes are held after the regular BBA classes.
Yeah.
So usually in our second years and third years, as we mentioned earlier as well, that the timings are quite flexible. It's up to us what we want to study, when we want to study, and how we want to study.
True.
So this is the kind of freedom which we have at SCMS, and it's all about what you love, study that.
True. So next we have here is from Tanay, who has again asked, do we have sports facilities as well? So yes, we do have a lot of recreation. We have the gym here, we have the basketball court, the football ground. So nearby we have the futsal ground for volleyball, for even non-tennis as well. And just to let you know, we have the University Sports Board. So those of you are, who are really a sports person, you can check from their website of the different sports scholarships that are available as well.
So we also have one question from Kushal Katuria.
Does the college have a doctor in campus for emergencies?
Yes. There is a Symbiosis Center for Healthcare available on campus and as well as in the hostel. So the doctor is available 24/7 for the students.
Okay, we have a question from Vishal asking what are the different student bodies in college?
So there are 3 student bodies in our college. That is the Student Council, SIMPALS, Executive Committee, and the Placement Cell. Talking about Student Council, one amazing thing about SCMS is that the council members are voted.
Yeah, it's a complete democracy.
I think Vinayak can talk more about it.
It's really good coming from DBA. Yeah, so what we have here is democratically elected the student council member. So out of the entire 900 students, we really vote to whom we want us to represent in the student council. So I was the international representative for 17-18.
So it's all about what students want to do, what a student wants to do, and the kind of freedom which we get over here. It's amazing.
So next few questions we have is, can boys also go to the hostel to eat?
Yes, I guess the boys do have a mess card.
Yeah, you can make your mess card and go have food. So, okay. What if I want to be part of 2 clubs together? Is that possible?
Yes, a lot of first years are a part of.
I mean, you can be
clubs.
Part of n number of activities. Like
but you just need to manage it well.
Yeah,
you need
it's all about managing
your time very well.
So all of us have been a part of multiple clubs, SIMPALS, placements, and so.
True.
Yeah. What is the placement rate of the college? I think DP would give
placement rate, I guess until last year it was 96%, approximately 96 or 97%. And almost most of them who apply for placements do get placements. So you can count it as 100%. And the companies coming are amazing.
Yeah. Another question we have from Siddhant. What are the class schedules, like average duration of each class, and do classes are conducted after evening also? So the evening classes are not conducted in the evenings, and the average duration is of 1 hour.
Yeah.
That is there, and the duration, as you said, depends on your courses that you choose for the second and third years. But for the first year, it's usually 8:30 to 4:30. There's a question regarding syllabus for set.
I think we've already mentioned about it. You can rewatch this video after it's done.
Right. So Tina has asked about, can you give more insight regarding the academics?
Kind of insight, like.
Well, except the part that we get to choose our own course. Okay, maybe
I
we
think
can tell them
we
about the
have
digital
great
library.
faculty.
Yeah,
we have great
faculties
faculty
are
that
great
really
here.
helps out, and they really help you with the course. We have this thing called Curiosity.
True.
That you can not only monitor your attendance, you have a library. So on Curiosity, you can access the notes from anywhere at any given point of time. So I think that's a really great addition. So you
True.
can always find your notes on Curiosity, as well as we have a digital library.
True. And the digital library is subscribed to a lot of research journals online, so you can really go access it there.
Yeah, so these journals are usually paid, but at SCMS we get it for free. So this access is given to the students for free. And with regards to Curiosity, the best thing about it is wherever you are in the world, anywhere with an internet connection, you can get access to notes, and wherever you want to study, you can do that.
So there's another question about, do we have to wear uniforms daily? So no, it's not daily. So we only wear uniforms on Monday and Tuesday. So
Yeah.
Wednesday and Thursday we wear more of business formals
Business
and Indian
formals.
formals. And Friday is casual day. So that's there. And so let's see if some other questions that we have left out. And I mean, few of you have asked some questions, but just to clarify, Symbiosis SCMS, is an undergraduate college, and we offer only UG courses.
What is curiosity? Is it open to everyone? It is open to all students. You can access your attendance at any given point of time. So this really helps you when you want to manage your classes. You can also check your evaluations, how you're doing at any given point of time. And finally, you can also check for notes as discussed.
So there's another question here from Manan.
Will the college be cooperative if my main aim is to study for UPSC during these 3 years? Yeah, the college is quite cooperative. As we mentioned that we also have other courses like ACCA. So you have to maintain your in-class attendance 75%.
Yeah.
That is mandatory.
I mean, see, we are a management school, so there's always, I mean, the 75% attendance is there, but then there is that leverage of 25%. So,
Yeah.
So let's say if I'm from Nepal, so I go home once a year for 2 weeks, but that's okay for me because I still have the 25%.
Yeah, as
and
long
even
as
take
it's
part.
well managed.
Yeah, and even all of us, like, we haven't given UPSC also, but we have been taking part in various college fairs. We took part in like Google Online Marketing Challenge and all of it. So these are the other competitions which we usually take part in, and that's where the 25% attendance helps us out.
There's a question about TEDx. I attended the TEDx organized in your college this year. How can I be a part of the organizing committee? So if you're a part of SCMS Pune, you can apply to be a part of the organizing committee, which I think is a great opportunity SCMS Pune is giving us. So you can volunteer and organize the entire TEDx SIU Mannagar by
There's a
yourself.
question about
Which one?
there's a question about WAT.
Okay.
So the WAT is the written ability test. So once you clear your SET, if you have that minimum score, you have to give a written ability test, which you do it at the SCMS camp, one of the SCMS campuses.
And then just to remind you guys, the set is completely online.
Yeah.
So nowadays, and it's on different centers all around India.
Just make sure you guys are
there
over
on
there
time, you're
before
prepared.
time.
Yeah.
I mean,
You're there on time, you're prepared.
since it's no more an offline test, it's quite difficult. You will miss out on time if you.
Yeah. I mean, rather than, why don't we just tell them, briefly about what our journey in SMS has been? I mean, this is what you really wanted to know from us.
Yeah. So talking about my journey at SCMS, when I came in my first year, like, there are n number of opportunities where you want to be a part of. I mean, with regards to clubs, competitions, extracurricular activities, along with academics, and what I personally liked is the R&D cell and Simpulse. Yes, so these were the two things which I loved the most, and they have helped me a lot.
So what about you, Nishita? I mean, what was the best highlight moments?
I think Simpulse was the best experience. But overall, in college, I learned so much. I joined a dancing club. I didn't even know I could dance before that. So I think it's been a great experience. We really grew as people in these 3 years, and we're really going to miss SCMS.
Yes.
We'll take a few more questions.
Few more
Are there any scholarship programs?
So there are, scholarships for semester toppers that are there. And
So the details are mentioned on our website. You can have a look at our website.
www.scmspune.ac.in.
Usually it is given to the first semester topper.
Let me just pin some other.
Yeah, we just put.
Alright, so we're posting some links for the websites that we have.
We see this is going to be a pinned comment again.
Yes.
So you can view it at any given point of time. And the website is very clear about all the details you need.
I hope we were really, able to address most of your queries and questions here. So all the best, guys. We
would like to, wish all the best to all the students who are applying for SET.
Yeah.
I mean, the preparations and all will go on. Like,
we'd also like to wish the people who are giving their boards right now
all
the best.
All the best.
We really hope you do well. We really hope we can see you at SCMS Pune really soon.
Right.
That's it.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you
very
so
much.
much.